Hi, and welcome to this lesson on how to enroll in Wealthscape so you can see all of your accounts at National Financial. First thing I'm going to do is share my screen with you so I can go through it with you. Okay, first thing you're going to do is go to tellericowm.com. That is, of course, my website for you to access. Once you're on tellericowm.com, you will click the Client Portal button, which is right here. And when you click the Client Portal button, you will be, I'm going to try to erase it real quick, you'll be taken to the Client Portal page. And on the Client Portal page is where you can access both eMoney, which is our financial planning software, and your accounts at Wealthscape. For this video, we are going to talk about Wealthscape only. So the next thing you'll do is click the Wealthscape button. When this page comes up, you're going to want to click the Register button for the first time that you use this. I'm going to walk you through that process today. So let's click Register. Then you'll put in the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. In this case, I have a test account set up for John Sample. And we're saying that John was born in April of 1972. So we're going to continue on with this. Once this is done, you're going to need to enter one of your account numbers. In this case, it's going to be when you click Next, this will come in where you start and put in your password. We're going to go ahead and put in a password for him today. Make sure you do numbers, a special character, a capital letter, and a lowercase. You have to have at least 3 of those items. You will also be asked to answer at least one security question. In this case, we're going to say your personal security keyword, and we're going to call it money. Click Next. Now this is your user ID. I highly suggest you write that down somewhere. In this case, it's going to be, and let me write that down as well, 111-205-4725. Once you have your personal ID, you will hit Continue to Home Page. Now, this will ask you to do 3 more security questions. For the sake of time, for this one, I'm going to hit Skip Questions Now, but I highly suggest you add your own security questions upon this stage. Once you're done, you will get to this next page, which will look like a user end agreement. Of course, you have to say yes to that, so accept. And then once you're on the website itself, this will not have any account data in there since there isn't any to have, but this is where you'll be able to see everything there is on the account. In this case, we're going to go ahead and put in an email, and we're going to sign up for email access. For this one, we're going to use John Sample 78028. And we're not going to set up a phone number at this point. Oh, it's going to make you. So set up a phone number. I highly suggest that you use a mobile number or something that you can get information on. So we're going to go here, remove that out. Well, it doesn't appear to allow me to go any further than this, so I don't know why. Let me try this again with his email address. I'll put in my own personal phone and continue. Submit, and now it's taking you to this page here. What you can do on this is basically enroll for online access, and that would be in this Go Paperless section. Let me go ahead and highlight that for you here. This is the Go Paperless section here. And when you go paperless, you will enroll and have to do this button here that says set all to electronic delivery. And it will do that for you automatically, and then hit save this account. Because there's no actual account value yet, it's not going to do that for me. The other thing you'll have the ability to do is click on this user preferences tab in the top. And when it comes up, it's going to ask you to change your username. I highly suggest you change your username from that long number that I had you write down a few minutes ago to something new for yourself. Make sure it's 9 to 15 letters or numbers. It contains at least one letter. Don't use any verifiable information such as social security number or anything like that. And I don't think you can use any symbols or punctuation. Then, of course, the password that you set up earlier, you need to place that in there and then click Next. That will go ahead and give you your own personal. Then when you're all done, you go up to this button here and click Sign Out. And it takes you back to the login page after you successfully signed out. Takes you back to that page there, and you are done. So that's the easiest way, I think, to show you how to do this. If you have any questions, of course, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.